So again, good afternoon po ma'am. If you may introduce yourself, what is your name or nickname?
Hello, good day. My name is Alexi Kari, Liza or Ali for short.
So where do you live?
I live in San Mateo, Aliosa, North Cotabato.
Describe your community.
Living here in a quiet municipality of Aliosan is astonishing. When we say Aliosan, it is home of various ethnic groups surrounded by mountains, or what local calls bukiding, and rich in food crops. People here are very generous, helpful, kind, and resilient. They are open to all and show respect to the different culture that surrounds them.
Do you live with your family?
Yes.
If so, can you describe them for me?
Living here can be described as nagmudas. Just like my family, we eat 3 times meal a day and also receive assistance from the local government. I am the youngest from the 4 children and the only girl. My father and mother work hard to survive day by day. My mother is a housewife and my father is a part-time construction worker. We also have a small shop which helps us somehow.
What school did you come from?
As for my education, I completed my elementary to senior high school at nearby school, the Dwelling High School. Currently in first year college at Southern Christian College in the BS Psychology course.
Okay.
Being a psychology student wasn't easy for me before I took it. I thought about it clearly. I asked myself if I can do it. I am ready to face everything. But my passion for this overcame me. I have always been interested in things, especially in how human brain works. I love to learn more about psychology. I expect it to be my stepping stone for my career and my life.
So why did you choose SEC?
I chose Southern Christian College because I knew the standard of education was good. Plus, my course was just starting and they were the closest school. No one convinced me to choose SEC. It was my own decision. Southern Christian College offers a quality education, a friendly environment, and a well-mannered educated professionals. I believe that this institution will help me to grow, improve my skills, and develop a future leader in society.
So what is your goal in life? And how will you achieve it?
A young me, I dream of becoming a doctor. But those were just my childhood dreams. As I grow older, all I want for my life is to be good, to help my family, and to overcome life challenges. To achieve my dream becoming a psychiatrist and be the reason people who need help to get it. I see this and I will make sure I will achieve it with my hard work and determination. Obstacles will inevitably come, but I know I can overcome